Kanak ba? Al. Bu. Lar. You. Albulario. See you later. Afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Kumusta kayong lahat?
Water.
Oh, water. Okay, Mama put water in this one. Say hi, Sabi. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Late na pala siya ng hapon, guys. Ang ngayon lang kami nag-vlog ni Paris. Oh, hurt the knees. Hurt the knees. Is it okay now?
Okay, come on, the doctor.
Oh, sure. Go. Do you want to call the doctor?
Okay.
Okay, here's the phone. You call the doctor. Call the doctor. Say hello, doctor.
No.
No?
Push.
Push? Mama, push? Call the doctor. Say Paris is sick. So, alam niyo guys, now that I'm feeling better, a little bit better, si Mike na naman ang unwell, guys. Kaninang umaga, pagkagising niya ba, dapat sana pupunta siya ng gym. Tapos, kinancel niya yung session niya kasi hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam niya. And he stayed in bed for since this morning. Tapos, kakalabas lang niya kung naririnig niyo, nagsishower siya, oh. Ayan. Kasi I think like similar yung naramdaman namin. And hopefully, hindi mapunta kay Paris, guys, no? Kasi tingnan niyo naman ang ating baby girl, oh. Paano na lang kung siya nakakasakit?
Mommy, go, Mommy.
Yes, honey. Are you watching Gruffalo? Okay lang talaga sa akin, guys. Ako magkasakit wag lang ang aking anak ba. Watching. Do you want to change it to Gruffalo?
Yes.
Okay, Mama will change to Gruffalo. Nanonood siya ng kanyang Peppa Pig, guys. Ang gusto niyang i-change sa Gruffalo daw. Ano kaya nagustuhan niya dito sa Gruffalo na very scary man ang kanyang mukha, oh. Ito kasi yung pinapanood nila sa sa school nila. Ayan, oh. Change natin sa Gruffalo na na mukha.
Mommy,
this one, see?
oh.
The Gruffalo's child.
Big go.
That's Daddy Gruffalo.
This is go.
Do you like Gruffalo, Nak?
Yes, big go.
That's Daddy Gruffalo.
There's a big go.
Unsa daw na?
Daddy, big go.
It's your Daddy go. You're the baby Gruffalo.
Okay, big go.
Yes, the baby Gruffalo.
Daddy go. My go.
Yes, Mommy Gruffalo. And you are?
Pig go.
Paris Gruffalo.
No, big go.
Ang bibihisan ko lang si Paris, guys, kasi pupunta kami ng grocery shop. Kailangan namin ng food. And tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. O, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nangyayari sa labas ba. Tingnan nyo. Oh, very dark. Ayan. Simula kaninang umaga pa yan. Kaya walang gana na lumabas kasi sobrang ginaw. Walang araw. And, yeah. Very depressing this weather, actually. Ayan. Pero kailangan naming umalis ni Paris kasi wala kaming pagkain ba sa fridge. And sa daddy niya, bibilhan din namin ng anong tawag ng energy drink ba? Yes, Paris, come on na. Get dressed na so we can go.
No, it's page writing.
Come on, what's the color of this one, Nak? Pink.
No, red.
Do you know how red? It's not red.
Pink.
Oh, shush. You wanna put that on your head? Show them. Wow! Mura mag-albularyo. Kanak ba? Al. Bu. Lar. You. Albulario. How are you though? Albulario. Yes. Wala, sana nga guys, hindi makuha ni Paris yung germs ba kasi. Ako, alam niyo naman siya, bibong-bibo ba? Ang kanyang mga ang kanyang parents ay biktima na.
Baby?
Yes.
No, mommy.
Call the doctor said.
No, Papa, don't mind the bed. If he is boo-boo.
Baby.
I said boo-boo, do you
Oh, the doctor.
mind it? A book is it.
Hello?
No, boo-boo, don't mind the bed.
No, boo-boo.
Don't mind it.
No, monkey.
No, breath. Boo-boo, don't mind the bed.
Jumping on the bed. Hang on, wait a minute. Just put the last one.
No.
Uy, kalay, kigig ka ay bataa ka. Show na lang. Ala, show your jacket, please. Wow!
Pink. Red.
Pink.
It's red.
Come on, Mama will get ready now.
It's red.
Come. Ayan na si Paris guys. Naalis na kami.
Mommy.
Hala, nak, it's raining, nak. Run. Run to the car. Quick. Nandito na kami sa harap ng Woolworths, guys. Pero, nagtalithi pa siya. Ayaw ko munang ilabas si Paris. Anyways. Are you good there, honey? Are you okay? So, yung bibilhin namin dito ngayon ay yung kakailanganin lang talaga namin. Kasi sabi ni Mike, gusto niya magpabili ng maraming power ride. Yung Gatorade ba? Kasi feel niya daw na parang dehydrated siya. Kaya yun yung bibilhin namin. Tapos yung pang dinner namin tonight. And then, yeah, yun lang siguro. Yung iba, meron pa naman eh. Sa listahan ko kasi gumawa ako ng listahan, guys. Meron pa dito mga drinks, meat, coffee mate, fruit, milk, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Kaya pa naman yan. Mga contact lens solution, mga dental floss, yung mga ganyan. Yung mga iba na hindi pa talaga kailangan, hindi ko na lang siguro bibilhin po muna. Kasi mahihirapan ako for sure. Kasi kasama ko si Paris. Tapos, ikikarry ko pa yung mga plastic bags. So, yun lang talagang kailangan yung bibilhin namin. Nak, let's go, Nak! Are you ready?
I feel good.
So, nakalabas na ako, guys. Ano pa-prank natin si Paris, guys. Sabihin ko, alis na ako. And we'll see kung anong reaction niya. Naiiwan ko siya sa sasakyan. We'll see. Hang on. Going?
No.
What na?
Please come.
Paris, come? Do you wanna come? I thought you wanna stay in the car.
No.
No?
Please come in. Okay, please come back.
Mama's going now?
No.
You wanna come to with Mama?
Please help me get this happy.
Huh?
And it's especially because happy too.
Paris goes shopping too.
Okay, it goes shopping pest.
Mama's going now.
No.
Oh. Do you wanna come with Mama? Huh? Paris wanna come with Mama? Mama's going now.
No.
No?
Please come.
Paris wanna come? Paris want to come with Mama? I thought you wanna stay in the car. You look after the car for us.
Mommy.
Bye-bye, Paris. See you later. It's a prank! It's only a joke, anak. Mama's not gonna leave you, anak.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, Mama was joking. I'm sorry, baby.
My day.
Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. Come on. Huh?
Let's buy lollipop.
Buy lollipop?
Okay, buy lollipop.
Buy lollipop? Where are we going?
Okay, what's happening? Buy lollipop.
Oh, buy lollipop. Where's the shopping center?
This.
There!
That's so crazy.
Nak, giprank ka ni Mama, nak. Huwag ginibuot imong Mama, nak ba?
Open the door.
Yes.
Open the door.
Naghila ka, nak. Why are you crying, nak?
Say.
Did you cry?
Say here.
Yeah. Mama's never ever gonna leave you in the car by yourself.
Pets.
Did you cry, anak? Huh? Get bread. Bread first. Which one? We'll get the wholemeal. Here, this one, nak. Can you please put it in the basket? Hala, ayaw, ilabay, nak. Isog kayo. Okay, let's go get corn. Okay, do you want Mama to help you?
No, please help me.
Okay, Paris will do it. Okay. One more? Can you reach it? Yep. Thank you. One more? One more. Good girl. You're such a big girl, honey. Come in. Thank you. That's it. That's it. That's it. Finished. Come on, let's go. Milk. This one, oh, gamay. Just get this one now. This one. Yay. Come on, let's go. How about egg? We'll go get egg. Do you know where the egg is? Paris, go. Hey, this way. This way. Yep. Ulan siya ba? Hindi pa kami makakapunta ni Paris sa sasakyan. Relax, relax muna siya dyan, oh. Nak, hintay-hintay mo pa muna, nak, ha? Kaya mo ulan, manak. Ito yung mga napamili namin. Ayan. Si Paris ba, sinasabihan niya ako ng ano? Mommy, sit down. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami and thanks God talaga kasi si Paris napakabait niya doon sa grocery shop and nag-worry talaga ako nung papunta ako doon na ako lang mag-isa with Paris kasi alam kong very ano yan siya, parang nagiging hyper yan siya sa loob ng shops. Kaya yeah, I was very surprised na Paris was very helpful pala. Nakita niyo kanina, diba? Tinulungan niya pa ako sa basket and actually guys, yung prank ko ba sa kanya, I felt bad talaga kasi buang mo niyang inahan. Oy, hindi ko talaga pinano yun. Parang nagding lang siya sa aking huna-huna ba nung nakarating ako doon. Buang talaga ako ng nanay, oy. Napaiyak ko talaga si Paris, guys. Anyways, that was a good prank, I think. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili ko sa shops, guys. Hindi marami yung binili ko kasi nga, diba, I was there with Paris by myself and then mahirap i-carry lahat pag lahat ng kailangan namin yung bibilhin ko. So, I just bought a few things and ito, tingnan nyo. Strawberry. Ayan. Tapos bumili ako ng pichay kasi magluluto tayo ng sinabawang manok. Kasi para ano tayo ng ano ba, sabaw. Makahigop tayo ng sabaw. And sana naman bumuti yung mga lagay-lagay natin. Ayan, I bought apples as well for Paris. And then maliit lang na milk ang binili ko. Kasi sayang din minsan ito. Tingnan nyo, nandito pa. Hindi ko pa natapon. Ito, malaki yung binibili ko minsan but hindi namin nagagamit. Kaya sayang lang siya. So yung binili ko is yung maliit lang. And then mamili ako ng isang dosen ng itlog. Ayan. And we've also got corn. Isasahog ko yan siya sa ating sinabawang manok. And then, bumili ako ng Pringles kasi nakasale sila. Tapos, may isang bag pa dito. Yung laman naman ito ay, ayan, bread. Bumili ako ng bread. Tapos, bumili ako ng Coffee Mate. Ayan, kasi paubos na yung sa akin. And, bumili ako ng Gatorade. Ito, para sa akin to, itong orange. Hi, anak! Giprank ka ni mama, anak? Hang on, I'm just gonna show them quickly, nak, ha? Kabit lang, nak. And then, bumili ako ng Powerade ng ganito. 4 sila for Mike. Ayan. And then, ito yung ating manok. Binili ko. Ay, karne pala. Manok naman hinuon. Mulupad na hinuon na. And then, I bought Oreo. And the last one here is itong laruan for Paris. Parang, ano ba, water guns. Ayan yung mga maliit-liit lang. Kasi si Paris ay parang kulit na rin. Parang naglalagay-lagay na rin siya sa basket ng mga gusto niya. Anyways, guys, I'll just put everything away. Tapos, mag-start ako magluto kasi it's getting late na rin. I'm gonna speak to you very soon, guys, ha? Bye! So, ayan na. Nagbubukal-bukal na siya. So, manok lang tsaka, ang tawag dito, mais. And then, ilalagay ko itong mga pichay mamaya.
Oh my God! Wow!
I can't wait. Tingnan nyo, oh. I love that. Smells so good already. Can't wait to have dinner na. Ang ating kanin ay luto na rin. Ayan. Uy! Oh my God, extra rice talaga, oh. Time check tayo, guys. Ayan, 6:30 na pala siya ng gabi. And, hinihintay ko na lang itong, sabaw na maluto. Tapos, kakain na kami ng dinner. Yung mag-ama ko pala ay nandun, nanonood sila ng, Gruffalo. Yung, kasi, ang tawag dito, sa childcare ni Paris, they called me the other day pala sa umaga. Akala ko natakot talaga ako nung tinawagan nila ako kasi pag tumawag sila, it means there's something na nangyari ba. Tapos nung tinawagan nila ako, para ako nabuang-buang na sumagot ng phone ko, pero they were only asking for permission pala na manonood daw sila ng ganito, ganyan. Kasi kailangan nila ng permission galing sa mga parents pag nanonood sila ng mga kahit ano. Kasi for example lang baka yung bata may trauma or baka may hindi gusto ng mga nanay or tatay manood yung anak nila ng mga ganyan. So they asked permission first. Ang parang naging favorite din siya ni Paris. So every time na umuwi si Paris from the childcare, sinasabi niya, Gruffalo, Gruffalo. So ayan, nanonood sila. And my nose is still blocked, guys. And I'm hoping na itong sabaw na to ay will do its wonder para naman mawala na tong sipon ko. And hopefully magustuhan din ni Mike itong sabaw na to. And yun guys, uy, sana naman ma-okay na rin si Mike kasi alam nyo, yung bahay ba, hindi talaga masigla kapag isa sa amin yung hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Kaya sana maging okay na kaming dalawa, tsaka si Paris, para naman balik to normal na kami ba. And guys, maraming salamat talaga ha sa suporta nyo sa amin at sa mga very nice comments nyo. Like, binabasa ko talaga lahat, guys. And minsan, napapaiyak ako talaga. Like, I promise, walang halong char talaga to. Minsan, tumutulo talaga yung luha ko kapag binabasa ko yung mga comments nyo. Kasi parang, totoo talaga kayo sa akin ba? Like, you really care for me, for my family. And, feel ko talaga yun. Kaya maraming salamat. Even though hindi ko kayo maisa-isa, I am thanking you one by one. Alam nyo kung sino kayo yung mga nagko-comment sa videos ko. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. By the way, guys, i-end ko na yung video natin dito. Kasi pagkaluto nito, magdi-dinner na kami. And si Mike ayaw din niyang parang may camera ba pag kumakain kami. And, yeah, that's about it. I think it's going to be an early night again for us. Maybe after dinner, manonood lang kami ng movie. If, I don't know, if Mike feels okay. But before ko i-end yung vlog natin, guys, I just want to welcome everyone, yung mga bagong nag-subscribe sa ating channel. Sana nasisiyahan kayo sa ating mga videos. And kung meron kayong mga suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Ipapakita ko pa sana si Paris dito before ko i-close yung vlog. But I think she is looking very cozy and comfortable now with her dad. Nanonood sila ng movie. I'll just do a quick shout out para sa ating mga mahal na subscribers na gusto magpa-shout out. We'll start with Emma Jane Talusig. Shout out to Elnora Grinja. Janet Gordon, hello Day. LM. Hilaska, aka Simply Read. Shout out to Lina De Los Santos. Shout out to Rina Mabatid, Juditay Pangit, The Inday Oling Story, Mary Ann Lozada, shout out from Taguig City. And shout out to Lilibeth Soriano from Romblon, Philippines. And shout out to Mayet Escame, to Berna May Sardoncillo Boliser, watching from Cebu City, hello. And shout out to Family Lee Vlog. Shout out to Nita Orapa, Chang Talusig, and shout out to Jam B. Shout out to Maricris Paganos, Joanne Ambe, Donna Ladera, Marilu Corpus, Cactus PH, Lizelle Iga, Norberta Nuno, Funky Philam, Ophel Hernandez, watching from Cavite. Hello po. Shout out to Annalyn B&D Vlog. Shout out to Michay Cats, Jake Cruz, Rosalyn Taihon, Faye Guarnes, Jasmine Soliano, Rico Balaricia, Darling, Melanie Bakunggol, Maria Victoria Pangan, Mercy Dahak, Daya Magallanes, Fe Seco, Micah Tolibas. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Lovely Ogat, Janister Chano, Evelyn Ramirez, Lina Bercasio, May Gao, Nori Aliada, Elisa Samiliano, Aileen Gagno, Vida Feliz, Chas Vlog, Gina Ibo, Sharon Ando, Melba Musni, and also special mention sa aking mga friendship to my manghod Giselle na sana pupunta sana kami sa kanila today, but dahil nga sa nararamdaman ko ngayon si Mark na rin, hindi kami natuloy. So I'm so sorry, Dai. Hopefully next time matutuloy na talaga yung mukbang natin. Also to Amy and Anthony, hopefully okay lang siya kasama yung baby Elijah niya. And then our friendship, Lawless family with her baby Jessica. Thank you all guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!